discussion about Power BI Retail AB project. I will show you how to do that project. Okay. So first, this is a source data, right? So source data for project SQL Server, right? The source has 9 tables. These tables from the Retail AB database we have to connect from the SQL Server. First, these 9 tables we have to connect. I will show you how to we will connect those 9 tables into Power BI desktop. Okay, so this is our first task. Okay, just open the Power BI. Now you will bring the data from the which database? You will get the database from the SQL server, right? Just we have to select first SQL server. Okay, once you click on that, just we have to provide the server name. This is server name. You have to provide whatever we have downloaded the SSMS server name only. Okay, my server name is this. Just copy and paste here and okay, and wait some time. It will connect to the okay. So what is our database? Retail AB database. So retail AB database we have 9 tables: address, customer, date table, production, region, returns, sales data, segment and segment, right? You have to select all those tables. Once you select all those files, okay, just load into for you or transform your data. Okay, finally it will take some time it loading into for you. Okay, once you completed this process, finally we will get the 9 tables. So I hope you understanding this how to connect the 9 tables from the retail retail AB database in SQL server, like SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. So it loading the time, like it will take few minutes. Once you done the all loads files into SQL servers of all data into Power BI desktop. Yeah, let's wait. It takes some time. Will it take more? It take more time because of I think it has more data. So finally it will comes. Finally it will comes. Still in progress and wait. Okay. So still it will be getting. Still it will loading. It's take few more minutes. I think. You have to wait. Okay. So once you load into all tables into for you, after that we have to give the relationship between the tables. So all most of students right in the class sections. So Power BI itself build the relationship automatically by itself. If not build the relationship by, we can also manually do it. Okay. So by itself, if there is a common column between the tables, we have to give the relationship between the tables. Okay, don't forget these things. Take loading is coming finally. I think it is in the real time also we have getting like this issue because of we have a millions of data, it will take more and more time if you open the any tables. So okay, it is one of the main reason. And like performance issues in the real time session we have to sort out this issue. Okay, the I think interview point of view also asking the performance issues. Guys, hope you remember these things how to you solve the performance issues also, and to try to bring the limited data and try to build the data from the visualization. Some limited data, it will like it will improve the performance. So 9 tables is for loading more and more time. Okay. Data mono, it take more time. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Successfully loading into Power U. So just come to data pane. This is the all 9 tables. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.